All right, guys, welcome back to another trip report here today. Today we are flying to Cincinnati on a Delta Airlines 737-800 today. Hope you guys enjoy the return trip to Cincinnati here. And it's very cramped in here. All right, guys, right here, here's the plane that I'm flying on today. It's another 737-800. And the reason why I don't have a good view of it is because we're in a big cluster of gates here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and board here pretty soon. That'll be it. All right, guys, we are boarding the plane now. So here's the plane that we're gonna be flying on today. Oopsie. If y'all want to see, there's what the jetway controls look like. All right. There's how it is. And here we are. All right, guys, we are now on board the plane now. I got a better window this time. And I'm getting on the right side today. It's basically the same type of airplane today, another retrofitted Delta 737-800 today.
Racks are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. In the event of an
Pushback time.
leave all carrying items behind. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others. A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are located under your seats in the main cabin. If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are either in the compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional light vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less. Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away. As we come through the cabin,
On this flight, I purchased a Crave box that Delta has to offer. It includes wheat thins, goldfish, salami, cheese spread, dark chocolate cookies by Pepperidge Farm, Skittles, and Tic Tacs. Very, very nice and refreshing.
Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky International Airport on, I believe, runway 18 left. There's 275. Maybe we're on center tonight. Maybe, maybe not, but that was awesome. That was butter. Yep, this was center. I'm surprised we didn't slam into it.
Enjoyed your flight and have a wonderful evening.
Oh, God damn it. Alright guys, we are currently taxiing over to B-21. Yeah, my freaking camera had problems on landing. For some reason it stopped right on touchdown. I believe that's what happened. So we could get some extra footage here from Salt Lake City, put in the video maybe, because I'm not very happy about that right now. It was going really well until that happened. So I'll have to see what I can do to salvage some of it, because it's really hard to film on 737s like this. Because sometimes the engines can be kind of rattly. That's exactly what happened. Okay. Well, I'll be until we get to the gate. Alright, here we are in gate B21. Got a couple Delta CRJ2s, yeah. Plenty of these here. Alright. Okay. Oh, they pulled far enough. Well. Okay. That'll be it until we get to the terminal. Okay, well, here we are at Concourse B. Oh, jeez. And we should be going to the baggage claim now. And that will be it until we get to the baggage claim. Okay, well, here we are at the baggage claim. We're kind of on the escalator for it. There's an elevator that you can ride up to it, but alright. Alright. Okay. I'll be glitching in my trip report here today. That'll be it.